After completing 12th class with excellent grades in board exams, everyone wants to become a doctor. But for that, you need a huge score marking in NEET or relevant hospital exam. So 12th class के बाद अच्छे मार्क्स लाने के बाद आप सबका क्या सपना होता है? डॉक्टर बनने का. बट उसके लिए आपको नीट में बहुत सारे मार्क्स लाने होते हैं. दैट इज़ मोर देन 500 आउट ऑफ 720. बट वॉट if I will tell you that there are some courses that are not MBBS or BDS, but the practice in their specific subjects like lab, radiology, X-ray, trauma, operation theatre, all are same like doctor practice. Yes, I am telling about the paramedical courses, the courses in which you will be like doctors, and this includes the practice like doctors, that is the hospital experience, patient dealing, patient care, and other test related. तो जामिया हमदर्दी एक बेस्ट और इकलौती यूनिवर्सिटी है जो सारे पैरामेडिकल कोर्सेज कराती है. सबसे पहले हम जामिया हमदर्द की यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में थोड़ा सा देखेंगे, देन आपको मैं बताऊंगा कौन कौन से कोर्सेज हैं पैरामेडिकल में. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग 12th क्लास हर स्टूडेंट का सपना होता है अपने ड्रीम कॉलेज में जाने का, वो कॉलेज जिसके अंदर उन्हें एक रेप्यूटेड डिग्री मिले. जामिया हमदर्द इज दैट कॉलेज दैट प्रोवाइड यू अ वैलिड डिग्री विद ग्रीन क्लीन प्लास्टिक फ्री कैंपस with anti-ragging rules where you can make healthy friendships and 3 big 4 small canteens with small cafes also जहाँ पर आप अपना मोस्टली लग्जरी टाइम स्पेंड करते हो. 2 लेविश प्रोग्राम हॉल्स हैं जहाँ पर आए दिन प्रोग्राम होते रहते हैं, दैट इज़ अ कन्वेंशन सेंटर एंड आर्काइव्ड हॉल. एक हॉस्पिटल है जिसमें फार्मेसी है जिसमें बहुत आयुर्वेदिक और एलोपैथिक दवाइयाँ मिलती हैं. 6 एंट्री गेट्स आर देयर जिसके बिल्कुल 10 से 20 स्टेप बाद क्या है आपका बस स्टैंड है. वेल एरेटेड क्लासरूम्स हैं, well qualified and young teachers हैं with clinical experience. So according to ranking, Jamia Hamdard is an A+ aggregated ranking deemed university, always comes first or second in the NIF ranking of pharmacy, and it is the only university that have uphold all paramedical courses including diploma, bachelor's, lateral entry in BSc, masters, and now going to start their PhD courses. So the first paramedical course in Jamia Hamdard is medical laboratory technologist. Not a technician, but you can call them the king of test. A technician performs all body tests including from cell at pathology level to the biochemistry at molecular level. And without them, doctor can't tell the treatment, prognosis and medicine of a disease. So the next course is MIT, that is medical imaging techniques, the king of radiophysics, who investigate diseases from different films of X-ray, CT scan and MRI and tell it to doctor. The next course of Jamia Hamdard Paramedical Sciences is optometry. The eye checkups, the test and the number of the lens, the spectacles, all will be decided by a checkup that is done by an optometrist. The next course of paramedical sciences is dialysis, or we can call them the kidney doctors, who practices all methods to save a kidney like dialysis, cannula and much more as a dialysis technician. So the next course of paramedical sciences is operation theatre techniques and anesthesia. So a OT technician, the owner of the operation theatre, who processes and operates all the instruments in OT theatre and assists doctor in surgeries. And the next course of paramedical sciences is emergency trauma care techniques. The technician who performs all the techniques to save a patient before reaching to the doctor. That includes the practice of CPR and healing methods, fracture restoration, etc. So here are the brochures of the master's courses in Jamia Hamdard, that is masters in optometry, masters in MIT, masters in lab sciences, masters in dialysis and masters in OT technician. So from this year, Jamia Hamdard is going to start their first batch of PhD in paramedical sciences, in PhD in medical lab sciences. So if you want any information regarding the paramedical study, you can comment down and you can contact to admission department of Jamia Hamdard for any admission related query. Thank you for supporting my channel and keep growing.